welcome everyone. It's a brand new day. It's Friday, the 5th of December, and it's a very special video. Why? Because this is the 100th video that we have produced. And thank you so much. I can make this far until 100th video is because of all of you. So let's just hope the channel continues to grow and you learn mathematics more. And most importantly, you'll remember maths because of me. Without further ado, let's go. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to integrate exponents. So basically, you have seen how to differentiate exponent. I already told you, in a way, it's connected. Okay, so we're just going to focus on the skill on how to do. So if you see the first part of your chapter 2, right, it's more of like you learning the skill. So like for example, this one, we want to see how the integration is done. So basically, exponent, okay, you copy first, and then what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to go and differentiate your power. So mx, you differentiate, yes, you know, you're going to get m. You differentiate n, it's a constant, so that's going to be 0. And then you're going to put plus c. So let us see one simple example, okay? But then maybe before we see that, I want to tell you another one more thing. Say if I got something like this. Okay, so this one, of course, is another exponent also, okay, with number. So maybe it's good for me to introduce this at the start so that you don't feel like, oh, I got so many things to remember. No, okay, this and this, you just need to know how to integrate. So first of all, as you can see here, you copy, right? So same thing, you copy, and then you differentiate the power, m. But then here I will go and put something extra. What is it? Ln of the base. So a plus c. So maybe you might be wondering, why I never go and put that here? Okay, let us say we insist we want to go and put. So here if I go and put, it's just going to be ln of e. And ln of e, hold on. I'm sure you know what is it. What is it? Ln e is just going to be 1. So this guy is 1. So it doesn't make any difference. So I rather not write it. Okay. So if you actually see, the step is the same. So please take note. Copy over, differentiate the power. Okay. Like here, normally you write ln of e, but then we choose not to. Why? Because it's just 1. But then here, I write it because it's going to be a number. And a very important thing I want to make note here is this guy is linear. So don't make careless mistake. A lot of students tend to make careless mistake this. So sekejap lagi I will show you example. Hope you got the start. Let's go and see. I want to see how to integrate this. As I told you, okay, please take note. This should be linear. So once it's linear, we are good to go. So you see here, I only focus on the function. Don't worry about this 5 here. So you copy the 5. Just biarkan saja. Okay, it's there, just biarkan. Jangan kacau dia. Focus on this guy. So I copy first. Over. You know what's the number that you're going to get? Differentiate this guy. So differentiate 1, you're going to get 0. Differentiate negative 2x, you're going to get negative. And you tidy it up. So it's going to be negative 5 over 2 e1 minus 2x. It's simple, right? Okay, so this is how we integrate x plus s part. You apply here, for example, you see you got function alone down. So you see this one, you know what you're supposed to do. Okay, yes. You bring it up. So tolong hati-hati because kat sini you can make careless mistake with your indices. So this one, put negative, make sure you put bracket. This is very important. So this is where a lot of careless mistake pops up. Okay, now if you want to, okay, tidy up, you can do that. Okay, you can do that. So 2 over 3, this is going to be e negative 4x plus 1. Hope you're okay up until that. And now I can go and proceed with integrating 2 over 3. Don't worry. E, copy first. And then, of course, you go and differentiate the power. To get differentiate power, negative 4x. You differentiate, going to get negative 4. This is going to be 0, so negative 4. Okay, simplify, cancel. So the final answer is going to be e negative 4x plus 1 over negative 6. Ta-da! Let us go and see another 2 more example on exponent. This time using numbers, not e. All right. exponent also. Okay, why? Because you got something to the power of something. When you got something to the power of something, it's exponent. So as you can see here, first what you do is copy. I can do it because it's linear. So now you go and differentiate, you're going to get negative 5. Are we done? No, because we're supposed to add another one more thing, which is ln of the base. So ln 7. Simple. So if say you want to bring this power up also can, no problem. You want to leave it like that also can. But then of course this number is quite big, so I choose to leave it like that. Hope that's clear. Contoh, I give you something like this. So you see, whatever that I told you yesterday, Saspa, try to apply it here. Like here you see you got square ma. Please take note, you cannot use power rule. Tak boleh, tak boleh. Kenapa? Because you see, this is not linear ma. Recall balik what I told you yesterday. Okay, actually should have it on the notes. Okay, so here, kalau you tengok, what we can do is, we can go and expand it. So I go and write it 2 times begini. Okay, go and do that first to make sure we are ready for integration. So this one, macam biasa lah, ini darab ini, you know, the power you go and tambah mah. So E power 2x plus 2x is going to be 4x. Then this one, minus E to x. Minus E to x. Negative, negative become plus. Hope you are clear up until there. We try to simplify it further. So kalau you tengok, okay, I got minus E to x minus E to x. Then plus 1. Okay, hope you are clear up until there. So now we are ready to integrate. So this one, if you see, is going to be E for x over 4 minus 2 E to x over 2. How I get 2? Because the differential power. This one, tengok. Integrate constant. Okay, you every time just go and add x only. So integrate 1, 1x. Integrate 2, 2x. So this one is just 1x sahaja. No need to write the 1 and plus c. Of course, whatever I can simplify, I simplify. Macam tengok ini 2 boleh potong. And that's your final answer. Hope you learned something today. Okay, for your exponent integration. We'll see in the next video. Bye-bye. See you. 100th episode. Thank you so much.